Preston,
Hi, guys.
you're watching.
Hey.
You're watching the markets. Before we get to today, recap yesterday. Any idea as to why such a big drop yesterday?
Yeah, there's a couple of reasons. I mean, first of all, it really shouldn't come as a big surprise to a whole lot of people because the market has really been booming, and a lot of people have been saying for a long time now that it's time for things to slow down just a little bit. But a couple of things led to the stock market crash. First of all, the 10-year Treasury note, that is affecting fixed rate mortgages and is a big deal. When you hear about the interest rate hikes, it doesn't really affect fixed rate mortgages, but Treasury notes do, and they are now at their highest level since 2011. So those are up. Interest rates are also rising. The economy is very hot. You've got to keep inflation and prices in check, the Fed says. They also say that because the economy is so strong, that borrowers no longer need to have such low rates. So interest rates are going up, and the Fed indicating that they may go up even further. You've got the trade war with China going on. The world's two largest economies going head-to-head. And tech stocks took a tumble, too, because a lot of times when you have, a downturn like this, those were the quickest to make the profits, and so they're the quickest to sell by investors because they want to make quick profits as well.
Yeah, you know what? With the tax cuts and the massive spending by the government, the debt is going through the roof. You've got Mike Pence yelling at China. You got tariffs. So it's all being ripped apart. What do the futures say today, Sherry? Do we know?
Yeah, they're looking down again. It was a bad night overnight for Asian stocks. I mean, a lot of them are really being hurt by this trade war with China. And then the Dow futures are down about 250 points this morning. So it could be another rough day. But again, whether or not we're in correction territory, which would be 10% down since January, or in a full-fledged bear market, which would be even further than that, we got to wait and see. But it might be a period of volatility for a while, and people say, as they always say, just sit tight. These things happen. The economy's been on a huge roll. You're in good shape if you've had your money in your 401k and stocks. It may take a hit, but you got to just hold out and see what happens.
Sherry Preston, ABC News. Thanks for checking in, Sherry.